Hello everyone, welcome to the presentation of our mini project titled Market Insight, Predictive Stock Price Analysis through Machine Learning and Visualization. This project was guided by Mrs. Chilkuri Sujata, Assistant Professor at the Department of Information Technology, Gokaraju Rangaraju Institute of Engineering and Technology. I am Madhusudan and am joined by my team members K. Samant and V. Lalit Sai. Let's talk about the abstract now. Our project focuses on technical analysis and visualization in stock market prediction. By employing algorithms and statistical tools, we aim to identify market trends and assist investors in making strategic decisions. Unlike fundamental analysis, our project leverages machine learning techniques to provide insights into market dynamics. The main aim of our project is to enhance predictive capabilities through machine learning and effective visualization tools. By analyzing historical data and identifying patterns, we seek to assist investors in making informed decisions amid the complexities of stock market patterns. Let's talk about the existing system. The existing prediction models often struggle with generalizing to new data, leading to inaccurate predictions. These models rely heavily on historical data, which may not always be a reliable indicator of future performance due to the evolving nature of the market and unforeseen events. Additionally, these models use static CSV files for test datasets, limiting their adaptability. Proposed system. Our proposed system addresses these challenges by focusing on recent information and using support vector machines for short-term predictions. Support vector machines can capture short-term trends effectively, making them suitable for predicting daily prices. Our model specifically aims to predict closing prices for the next few days, offering a more granular view compared to traditional models. So talking about software requirements, we'll be writing the code in Python here and using Visual Studio Code IDE, and we'll be using libraries such as YFinance, Pandas, and Scikit-learn. The recommended hardware that includes a contemporary multi-core processor, minimum of 8 GB RAM, and ample storage capacity. A reliable internet connectivity is must, and optionally, a GPU for enhanced computational speed. These are the references that we have taken for building our project. Literature survey. We conducted an extensive literature survey to support our project. Various studies highlight the effectiveness of machine learning techniques in stock market prediction. Notably, fine-tuned support vector regression models and parameter optimization techniques have shown significant improvements in accuracy and efficiency. Design phase. In the design phase, we focused on developing architecture that integrates machine learning algorithms with real-time data analysis. The system architecture is designed to be interactive and visually appealing, enhancing the user experience. Now let's talk about some of the diagrams now. Architecture diagram. Basically, the user uh, gives input to the user interface, which is a Streamlit application. The entire model is shown to the user in the form of a Streamlit application. The user gives data to the prediction module and it displays the predictions. We'll be talking more about this in the results section. Source code. These are the necessary libraries and methods that we will be importing for building the model. This is calculating the moving averages method, which is a very important measure to calculate the growth or decline of a stock price. This is the first one is calculate growth function. It calculates the growth from starting to ending. The get company news method, which as shown, it uses the news API key, which is provided for each of the accounts to get news about the company which we are inquiring for. We will be using grid search support vector regression, and the kernel function as radial basis function. These are the pyramid grids where epsilon values and gamma values. Let's talk about the output as well. So basically, this is the user interface that the user will be provided with. He should be providing the stock code, that is the NASCOM stock code of the company, start date and end date. The data will be stock price data will be fetched for the time period mentioned between these days, and he can enter the number of days for the forecast. On clicking forecast button, you can see the it first show compares the price of the stock over a period of time. It then gives out the exponential moving averages versus date. This is very much useful in stock price analysis. Then give the below one is the growth percentage as to how much percentage the stock price has grown over the time. Forecast. This graph provides the forecast for the next upcoming n days that the user has given input to. It is nothing but the prediction in a tabular manner. And the last part is the news articles that is fetched by the news client API using the API. Thank you for watching our presentation. We would like to extend our gratitude to our guide, Mrs. Chilkuri Sujata, for her support and guidance throughout this project.